General Damian, but I would like to congratulate everybody for the zero casualty in spite of the situation.
Critical level at 195 meters will not be breached, and its spilling level maintained at 193 meters.
But this was foreseen, so
yes.
therefore
Yes,
you did preemptive evacuation.
Yes, ma'am. The lessons we learned in the past.
150,429 persons. 178,003,900. Likewise, a total of 1.8716 hectares of the high-value crops were damaged.
We cannot waste any day for repair because given climate change, we don't know when we will be hit by another typhoon. But at least for the next few days, there's a high-pressure area protecting the Philippines. It pushed Peping away and it prevented Kedan from coming in. So that's this is the time to do rehabilitation work.
Yes, ma'am. They have been doing their job 24 hours.
No, but their job now, they're returning the posts. Yes, specifically that one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
They're rebuilding the posts, they're doing that.
yes, ma'am.
nga nangyawat iti